That's some touching a skip here. I better get that first though. I'm about it now. Hello buddy, sorry to bother. I was just wondering if I could have the old smooth scrap.
Yeah, got the job, yeah.
Oh, fun.
For a cap on the end.
Yeah.
And that's bad. Dead wrong with that bad.
Little bits and bobs in there, I'll check out.
Bad that.
Thank you very much, mate. Cheers, buddy. I'll take all this. I mean, that's a lot of tack. I mean, you've got all these here. These are internet things. You might have good boards in and all that. Just doing a I'll do a channel.
I've got you, cool.
Nice one, mate. Yeah, bro. Yes, thank you very much. That's a good little find. Look at all this internet stuff there. When I put that bag in there, that's a swish bag. I don't know if you can see that, but looks an expensive bag, some wheels. Pardon? Yes, please. Tack, more tack, more tack. What will the skip reveal? Balance scale. That's a keyboard. What are these? What are these? I don't know what they're on. What them on? Something to do with the internet stuff. Quite on. He says he put a tap there. Oh. Oh dear me. Can you see all that? Wire. I'll take all that wire. Nice bit of wire. Same what the telly's wiring then. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Oh dear man. Let it touch in. More wire. All this wire takes up. Take wire all day long. A bit on that. Bit more steel over. And then let's work that back up for him. What's in here? What's in the box today? Oh, shelving. Got that bag of screws we thought I'd got there. Get this off this bloke here. Pardon? Yes, yes. I got my camera on, is that alright? I do a YouTube channel.
Alright, nice one.
Thank you, mate. Yeah, I'll do what's got them. Got a card, sir? Thank you.
Really good to get this
yeah, no worries. You're fine, not work?
No, it's not good. I think it's gone. I think they're replacement.
Just give him my card, my man, there you go.
Cheers, Ed, thank you.
Okay, down, bud, thank you very much. That's some high tech. Yeah, I'll tell you, it's all these telly boxes. And plug sockets, I don't know. Wow. Bit of wire. More plug sockets. It says you put a tap. More stairway. Top there. It's a box in a box, I think. And there might be something in this one. Yeah, there's a bit of steel in that one. I'll check that one. And I think that's everything, guys, out of this skip. Bloody talents, look at the size of them. I just put a tap in, but I can't find it. I see no tap. That's a lot. Alright. Okie doke. That's everything. Woo! That was a good score. I'll get more scrap to pick up today. I don't normally pick on the weekdays, sorry, but I've got some today. It's alright. Talking to myself. Hey, Andy, you okay? Season, mate?
Yep.
Bye. We'll get some more tap with it. Bit more scrap here. Picking it up as I'm going along. A bin. With a rotted bottom. Never mind. There's the bottom. Hey, how are you going? Get back on. Let's go get some more scrap. We have got some more, yeah? I mean, text to come and pick this up. Cloud horse and a pushchair. Okie doke. No dogs. Have you got any dogs? Dogs locked up. Oh, hello, buddy. I thought it was a Rottweiler there. Hello, mate. Hello.
This what you want?
fucking hell, mate. Oh, sorry, buddy. Oh, sorry, mate.
You're right, it's an old crazy boat.
So, I mean, it's a bloody shame. That
Yeah.
work?
No,
No, did you
no,
work?
that one doesn't work. It kind of went pop.
Pop.
That's
But now-
just like a radio that's gone.
Oh, right.
The wee thing that works. The wee thing.
Oh,
but it's,
I've got a game for them, mate. It's a size one.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. I've got a microwave. There we go. That's a bit on. Right. That's all my fixing's done. Have to get some more today. There it is. I think that's one of them oil-filled electric radiators. There we go. On the back of the truck. More tap there, guys. It's a mirror. We'll take it. Hello. Got a bit more scrap metal. Oh, got some nice heavy bars there. Thank you. A bit more taps. What we got? Let's have a look. Some contributes to the weekend. I'll try to send it open like that. Trampoline. Let's go get some more.